welcome to Ryco Trade Training for Workshop Floor Staff. In this episode of Service My Car, they asked me to service a V8 Commodore, but instead I got this, a HSV R8 wagon.
First things first, figure out what kind of service the vehicle's up for. Service items such as oil filters have a limited lifespan and can lead to costly damage if neglected. Step 1. Make sure you've got everything you need before jumping into the job at hand. For this service, we'll be looking at replacing the engine oil filter and air filter. Now that we've got everything we need, we can get the car on the hoist and in the air.
Alrighty, time to drain the oil. Now, just checking here, engine's just slightly warm, which means the oil's going to drain out a little bit quicker, but make sure it's not too hot, because you might burn yourself. Right, so while that's draining, I'm going to get this new Ryco Syntec filter ready to go.
Now replace the sun plug washer with a fresh one and tighten it back up. Now we can do our initial oil fill. These engines take about 7.6 litres of oil. Once you've reached that, you can start it up and check for leaks.
Now it's time to do the air filter.
Simply remove the airbox lid and pull out the old filter. Clean out any debris from the airbox, put in the new Ryco air filter, put the lid back on, and you're done. On some Commodore models, you'll need to replace the cabin filter. Ryco make a number of different cabin filters to suit these Commodores, so check your service manual for details. Now all that's left is to take the vehicle out for a road test and make sure everything's in good working order.
And there you have it, a minor service done on this pretty nice HSV wagon.
Visit rycofilters.com.au for more information.